Thank you for considering our email archiving cloud solution. The following video will demonstrate how easy it is to set up and search the archive. You will need to log into the Apptix control panel to manage your account. Then navigate to the Discovery Archive link and select Add New to add email archiving to an existing mailbox or a new mailbox. Once you have enabled email archiving on the mailbox through the control panel, you will then need to assign roles within the archive. Select the Discovery Archive link and select an account you want to add additional permissions to within the archive. These extra permissions consist of a search admin and search admin plus, who can search across all archived email as well as assign individual access to specific search result sets to a search user. The search admin plus can also access the archive reports and manage the retention policy if one is required. And finally, there is the search user. As mentioned before, this role is granted access to specific search result sets that have been created by a search admin or search admin plus. By default, a mailbox owner will have end-user access to their archived email through the control panel, the archive web portal, or through a web folder in Outlook. To log into the archive, you will need to log into the control panel and then select the open link in the entry point column. Navigate to the search homepage and click on the Start New Search button. Choose one of the 4 search types along the top: Simple, Wizard, Advanced, or Custom. As you progress from Simple to Custom, the searches become more granular and provide more data fields to enter search terms or phrases. Once you've decided which search type you'll use, name the search and enter the names or phrases you wish to search for in the appropriate fields, and then click the Save and Display Results button at the bottom of the page. It's that easy. This particular search will search for results within the entire archive. There are numerous search field options and operators, from wildcards to Boolean queries, available across the 4 search types. Since we full-text index the entire email, as well as over 500 attachment types, the word or phrase you're looking for will be highlighted within the results set, making it even easier to find what you're looking for. Since there are so many options for each search type, there is a quick tips section on the right side of each new search page for assistance if needed. The optional section is the same across all 4 search types. Here you can select a date range or specific dates for your archive search, in addition to other options. This is also where the search admin or search admin plus would give a search user access to a specific search result set by clicking on the permissions link and selecting the appropriate access for the search user. Once the search has completed, a result page will appear indicating if your search was successful or not. You can now review the emails, apply tags to emails in order to help organize the results, or add comments to emails for future reference. And since the archive messages are stored in worm-compliant storage, which stands for Write Once, Read Many, the original archive message cannot be deleted or altered in any way once it is in the archive, so applying tags, adding comments, downloading, forwarding, or recovering an email will never change the originality of the message. If you would like to filter the results, you can essentially run a search within a search by selecting the Filter My Results button in the upper left of the screen. There are also various options to sort your results as well. If you decide you need to export the result set, you can do so by selecting the Export My Results button at the top of the page. This next page offers the option to export all the results, or if there were any tags or filters applied, you will have the option to export these as well, and you'll have several format options for each export: PST, original format, plain text, PDF, or HTML. Once you've selected which data set you would like to export and the format, the export is prepared in the archive, and you'll be notified when the export.zip is ready to be downloaded. And that is how easy it is to run a search on the archive. We also offer end-user access to the archive, where an end user will be able to access only their archived email. They can access their archived email through the control panel, the archive web folder, or through a web folder in Outlook. Once logged in, the end user will be able to run a quick search across their archived email or search within the attachments only. They also have the option of running a more granular search using the Advanced Search button, where they can ultimately save these results in folders within their archive view for faster future reference. In addition to being able to download and forward messages from their archive, the end user will also be able to manage their own message recovery if they may have deleted or misplaced a certain message from their active inbox. To do this, they'll just find and highlight the message,
then select the Recover button, and the message is sent back to their inbox. It's that simple. To find out more about the Apptix email archive solution or to schedule a live demonstration, please visit us on the web at apptix.com or contact your account representative.